Stay cool and comfortable with the Ryobi USB Lithium Misting Fan, a powerful and portable cooling solution. This fan employs advanced atomization disk technology, delivering a fine mist that cools by up to 10 degrees while keeping you dry. Its compact design is paired with impressive performance, offering up to 90 minutes of misting on a full 2 ounces water tank and up to 7 hours of fan operation with 110 CFM airflow. The Armrest Couch Cup Holder by Couch Coaster offers an innovative solution for those seeking convenience and organization while relaxing at home. Crafted with precision, this patented design incorporates a weighted silicone base that securely sits on your sofa, armchair, or recliner armrest, preventing accidental spills. Its anti-slip feature ensures stability, keeping your drink firmly in place even during the most relaxed moments. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's Ultimate Pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these featherlight glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines mobile content creation with cutting-edge features designed for versatile filming. It stands out with active zoom tracking, a first for gimbals, offering precise tracking even at a powerful 15x zoom, perfect for sports or live events. Multi-person tracking ensures flawless framing for group shots, making it ideal for family gatherings, camping trips, and meetups. The LilyGo T-Keyboard S3 is a versatile and compact development board that brings an impressive array of features tailored for developers and enthusiasts. With 4 magnetic connectors featuring quick connects, it ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration with various modules. This flexibility is enhanced by 5 screens, with the option to replace the 5th screen position with a rotary encoder for expanded control. In a time when digital displays dominate, the Zen 70 rekindles the legacy of analog elegance with unapologetic boldness. Towering at nearly 6 inches tall with a glowing filament standing 2.75 inches high, this handcrafted giant of a Nixie bulb merges nostalgia with innovation. Its cylindrical form measures 2.3 inches in diameter, housed in annealed glass and stainless steel, with a base crafted from anodized aluminum in sleek black. The WowStick 1 F Plus is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver precision and convenience. Its miniature size makes it ideal for delicate tasks, offering a streamlined solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The tool features an all-metal one-piece construction, ensuring durability and a solid feel while you work. Whether you're assembling electronics, performing repairs, or working on craft projects, this lightweight device is perfect for handling intricate screws with ease. Launching bold ideas requires tools built to match that energy. This notebook and pen combo is crafted not for desks but for action, ready to accompany explorers, thinkers, and creators across any terrain. Every component is engineered to resist the elements, all while delivering precise, reliable performance. The carbon fiber cover offers extreme strength without unnecessary weight, tough enough to take a beating yet sleek enough to carry daily. Sous vide cooking meets precision engineering in a compact tool built for flavor perfection. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0 delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results by maintaining exact water temperature, locking in natural juices and nutrients for meat, fish, vegetables, and more. With a temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit and pinpoint accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes the guesswork out of doneness. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista Portable Smart Telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. The Tesco 2 self-stirring coffee mug stands as a versatile and efficient tool for anyone seeking convenience in their daily routine. Featuring an automatic magnetic stirring mechanism, this stainless steel mug ensures your coffee, tea, or other beverages are consistently mixed without the need for manual stirring. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, its multifunctional design adds practicality to your lifestyle. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this mug is built to withstand regular use while maintaining an appealing, sleek look. When every second counts and power disruption isn't an option, the E-Tank Power Strip stands as your ultimate gaming companion. Engineered for elite setups and demanding devices, this 200-watt powerhouse charges up to 7 gadgets at once without losing speed or efficiency. Its advanced PD 3.1 fast-charging technology built on GaN architecture delivers reliable high-speed energy transfer, powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming gear in sync. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The OYO Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Designed for maximum efficiency in a minimal form, the Gravity Magriel Lite merges durability with everyday utility. Whether you're navigating the outdoors, managing daily commutes, or working hands-on, this retractable reel offers just the right balance of strength and function without weighing you down. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it remains incredibly light while handling loads up to the same amount, ideal for keys, tools, or gadgets. Step into cleaner living with a water filtration system engineered for lasting purity and precision. This under-sink reverse osmosis system delivers 800 gallons per day through a powerful 9-stage filtration process that removes contaminants like PFOA, PFOS, and reduces TDS with remarkable efficiency. Its space-saving, tankless design means fewer parts and faster water flow, producing a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, 3 cups of clean water for every 1 cup wasted. The Carbon AI LED backpack merges technology with practicality, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. Equipped with customizable LED displays, users can express themselves by showcasing personalized messages or animations, powered by advanced AI technology. Ideal for content creators, professionals, and daily commuters, this backpack brings innovation to your routine. The sleek and modern design features a comfortable, ergonomic fit, while the integration of open AI technology ensures smart features that enhance convenience and security. Motorola's innovative approach to smartphones introduces a flexible device that redefines how we interact with technology. The phone is equipped with a highly adaptable OLED display, allowing it to bend and reshape to fit a variety of uses. This design doesn't just serve as a novelty, but offers practical applications, such as wrapping it around your wrist like a stylish bracelet or folding it into a convenient stand for hands-free use. This revolutionary technology blends form and function, giving users the freedom to personalize the device in ways traditional smartphones cannot. Forged through relentless craftsmanship, the Hubpack 33 emerges as a symbol of ultimate security and precision. Every seam and compartment reflects 2,000 painstaking hours of engineering mastery, combining 333 unique parts into a fortress you can carry. Designed for those who demand more than ordinary protection, the Hubpack 33 redefines travel with an unwavering focus on security and innovation. The Zen X Carbon Foldable Seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. Imagine writing in midair, tapping invisible buttons, and swiping through digital content with just your fingertips. ZenWatch transforms gesture control into a full sensory experience. With handwriting, multi-finger typing, and intuitive air gestures, presentations in classrooms and meetings shift from static to fluid, letting you guide the room with effortless precision. Its handwriting function lets you sketch, annotate, and write without touching a screen, while multi-finger typing replicates a keyboard that floats just under your hand. The Algo Laser Pixie brings precision and versatility to a compact design, making it an ideal tool for those seeking to enhance their creativity and craftsmanship. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, Pixie offers an intuitive experience that allows for effortless creation and personalization. Perfect for family fun, Pixie encourages collaborative projects where you and your loved ones can engrave designs on wood, leather, and metal. The Ego Power Plus telescopic pole saw brings power, precision, and versatility to your outdoor tasks. Designed with an industry-first LED cut line indicator, it ensures you can accurately cut even in shaded or low-light conditions. Equipped with the 56-volt, 2.5 amp-hour ARC lithium battery, the pole saw delivers up to 100 cuts on a single charge, providing long-lasting performance. Not every toy listens. Fewer still understand. But Unicorn Kadi is more than a toy. It's a breakthrough in meaningful connection between children and technology. Whether it's a lazy afternoon or a long car ride, Kadi is always ready to chat, draw, sing, dance, or simply be there, turning everyday minutes into magical moments. Unicorn Kadi is a child-centric AI companion that adapts, listens, and responds with warmth. When breathing efficiency matters most, precision training tools like the BreathMax Dual Tip Spirometer redefine what's possible. Designed to fit seamlessly into your routine, this compact device strengthens lung muscles, enhances airflow, and supports recovery, whether you're seated at your desk or pacing through a high-altitude trail. Engineered with dual resistance tips, it offers tailored inhalation and exhalation resistance to train both sides of your breathing process. Relaxation is within reach with the Conair hands-free soothing massage device, a smart solution for relieving stress. The unique design uses innovative finger technology, mimicking natural hand movements for a deeply effective massage. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or needing a quick break, this massager offers customizable comfort with 3 adjustable speed settings. It can target areas like your neck, shoulders, lower back, and thighs, perfect for easing tension from sitting or standing too long. The Wonder Maker ZR Ultra 4 is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for creators, engineers, and hobbyists who seek a streamlined and efficient printing experience. With an ultra-low heat bed temperature, this printer ensures that your printed objects remain firmly in place, cutting down on energy usage. This reduces your power bills while contributing to a greener planet. Designed for optimal performance, the ZR Ultra is engineered for fast, multicolor, and multi-material printing. The Orvibo MixPad D1 Smart dimmer switch revolutionizes how you manage lighting in your home, combining modern technology with seamless integration. This wall-mounted dimmer is crafted from durable plastic, offering a sleek design that fits in any modern interior. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, it ensures convenient voice control over your lighting, allowing dimming from 0% to 100%. When your kitchen demands power, precision, and efficiency, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor steps in with authority. Built with a robust 1000 peak watt motor, it tackles dense veggies and stubborn dough with ease, delivering smooth, consistent textures across every use. The 9-cup bowl gives you ample space to prep large meals or multiple portions in one go, perfect for families or weekly batch cooking. Time doesn't pause, but some moments are worth holding still. The Memory Box Retro e-ink calendar doesn't just tell you the date, it brings the past to life, one story at a time. On your desk, it quietly reveals the significance of each day through crisp, low-energy e-ink display, echoing the elegance of vintage calendars but infused with the power of modern tech. At 6.3 inches wide and 4.2 inches tall, it fits neatly beside your laptop, clock, or morning coffee. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's Wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Imagine a world where perfect nails are no longer a luxury reserved for salon visits. With this innovative device, you can achieve flawless nails without ever leaving home. It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's called Nimble. This revolutionary tool is the first of its kind, designed to effortlessly paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes. Nimble uses advanced technology to scan the shape and size of each nail, ensuring the perfect amount of polish is applied every time. The Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp revolutionizes the way you experience lighting in your home. With an expansive range of 16 million colors, this versatile lamp allows you to customize your space for any occasion. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or hosting a vibrant party, its rich color palette ensures the perfect lighting to set the mood. One standout feature of this lamp is its pixel-level control. Each individual bead can be adjusted for fine-tuned effects, providing the flexibility to create personalized lighting designs that align with your exact preferences.